Imagine working your whole life, doing everything right, saving, investing, building up your retirement, only to watch the market eat away at it, little by little. That's exactly what was happening to Paul Jensen, a retired aerospace engineer from Scottsdale, Arizona. His 401k had hit over $874,000 by late 2021. But with rising inflation, wild market swings, and talks of recession, it dropped nearly $200,000 in just over a year. And here's the thing, he didn't do anything wrong, but he did something smart before it got worse. We'll come back to Paul in just a second. First, let's talk about why a low-risk portfolio isn't what it used to be. Just last week, Bloomberg reported that inflation is heating up again. March CPI jumped 3.5% more than expected. The Fed is stuck. If they raise rates again, the cost of borrowing explodes. If they don't, inflation runs hotter. And meanwhile, your so-called safe portfolio, those bonds, dividend stocks, and mutual funds, is losing purchasing power faster than you can adjust. Now back to Paul. After watching his nest egg erode in real time, Paul decided to act. He rolled over $412,850 from his IRA into a self-directed Gold IRA. Not all of it, just the part he wanted protected, insulated from political games and Wall Street volatility. Within weeks, he had physical gold held in a secure IRS-approved vault, completely under his control. And the best part? His peace of mind came from doing one simple thing. He requested the free Gold IRA guide you'll see linked below. And during the no-pressure educational call, he realized this wasn't a gimmick. There was no free silver trap. Just real experts giving him real answers. Now he says, I finally feel like I'm in control of my retirement, not at the mercy of Washington or Wall Street. Here's why Gold IRAs work, especially for people 60 and up. Gold has held its value for centuries, through wars, depressions, inflation, you name it. It's a physical asset, not a paper promise. And it doesn't need the market to go up to be valuable. In fact, it often performs best when everything else is falling apart. But let's be honest, it's not about just growing your money anymore, is it? It's about protecting what you've already earned, so you can live with dignity, help your kids, maybe even your grandkids. If you're like most of the retirees we help, you're not trying to gamble your way to a bigger number. You're just trying to make sure the number you've got stays yours. So here's your next step. Take 30 seconds to grab the free Gold IRA guide below. Even if you're just curious, this no-obligation call could open your eyes the same way it did for Paul. There are no pushy sales tactics, no pressure. Just one-on-one education with a real expert to see if this is even the right fit for you. And if it is, you'll be taking one of the smartest, safest steps toward preserving what you worked your whole life to build. This entire story started with that free guide. Yours can too. Click the link, secure your call, protect your legacy, because the markets won't do it for you.